What are you eating?
Some cookies.
Some cookies?
Yeah.
Are they yummy?
Yeah.
Spencer, where are we going today?
Apple picking.
What are we going to get there?
Apples.
And what else?
Some rabbit and blueberries.
That's right.
I got my cookies.
And what are we going to see when we're there?
Uncle Bruce's.
Some Uncle Bruce's? What else?
Bubble.
What are we going to do when we're apple picking?
Find some animals.
Find some animals. Are we going to pet them?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.